How to fix Bigo Live audio delay. In order to fix audio delay on Bigo Live, the primary involves improving your internet connection, checking your hardware setup, and using software-based audio delay compensation, especially if using a PC for streaming. So basically, what you want to do is a weak or unstable internet connection is a common cause of lag in audio video sync issue. So what you want to do is make sure to go to settings onto your device and locate network and internet, and here you want to go to internet, and what you want to do is basically you then need to go ahead and refresh or restart. That should definitely help you out as well. Now then, other than that, what you also want to do is over here you just need to go ahead and open up your respective app store, check for an update. Sometimes it could be due to the outdated version as well. So tap on the search bar and type in Bigo Live, and over here you just want to make sure to go ahead and update. That should also be able to help. Now then, what you want to do is you simply want to go ahead and make sure to clear your cache as well as data. In some cases it might work, so go to settings, locate app from the list, and go to Bigo Live from the list. Click on storage and cache, and here you should be able to fix. If nothing works out, reset or restart your device. That might also be able to fix your issue. So with that, we've come to an end. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.